I'm going to show you how you get coconut oil done. You know coconut oil, very versatile. You feel me I say? You can use it on your skin, you can use it cook, you can use it in your hair, and the possibilities and the varieties are endless that you can use coconut oil for. You know what I say?
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Instead of you purchasing coconut oil in the store, we're going to show you how to make that homemade style and save yourself a lot of money in the long run. But I know me I go do it, you know. Mommy I go show you how to make the coconut oil from the coconut itself. You feel me I say so? Forward and show you what I go on. So this is what the actual coconut looks like, you know what I say? It's in a hard husk. I was just going to break that. You can drink the liquid, wash off your heart if your heart dirty and them something there. After we remove the coconut from its husk, then we're going to use the flesh of that to create the coconut oil. You know what I say? So break it and show them how I go on, mom.
You break it and get out the water.
Yeah. Yeah, pure. So you just drink this freshly squeezed coconut water. But go for a cup for me, please. So you see that? The water is pure and it's at its best stage right now. This is how you want to drink it. No preservative, no additives. You feel me I say? Natural. Yeah, natural. And this is very good. Refreshing. The whole works. Ice cream man that? You can buy ice cream man that, my boss, please. I am Spuggy. Ask me if you have ice cream cake. Ask me if you have ice cream cake. You're not asking, man. Ask me if you have ice cream cake. The cake. You want some? You want some?
You want some, mama? Tell you to drink some of the fish.
So see it now, the natural coconut juice. So possibilities are endless with this. Sweet and refreshing. Well, I want to call that sweeter still, but refreshing, you see me? So just like that. I'll show them how pretty this look right now. So you see that? Nice and pretty. This is a proper coconut. Yeah. So right now, you need to just break it up into small pieces and then you remove the flesh from the husk.
In Jamaica we call it husking.
So right now we are husk out the coconut. Take it out and move too fast. Let me show them how to do one. Get that one in. They have it?
Bye.
So how you remove the flesh from its husk, you get a knife, dinner knife preferably, and you insert it right at the end right there and just stick your knife under and gradually move your knife back and forward to just remove the flesh from the coconut husk, and it just comes out easily like that. You know what I say? And this is what it looks like. Everything now here is edible. You see me? Smokey, tell me say you want ice cream. Give your money. So see right now, all of this is edible, nice and sweet. You see? What do you think?
Not all of them easy if you come out, you know.
So tell them now.
Not all of them easy if you come out, so you have to mind the knife cut you.
That's a good fuse, a dinner knife, yeah. or a dinner knife, you know?
No, dinner knife instead of bread knife, sorry.
That dinner knife not sharp, so that will prevent you from cutting yourself. I break it up into. I eat the cooker, I can't talk. So these now, people normally use these to decorate their flowers garden and stuff like that. You know what I say? But otherwise, you can just throw these out.
Tyrone, don't do that.
What's that style again, the kitchen?
So right now, I'm going to teach them about a 4H. I'm going to light the fire for a year, so using one matching stick. So get it now. Put it.
Yo! And I worst thing not even drop in that fire. I will drop.
Oi, you don't know, so guess this is how you show him, you see, you know?
Another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.